still makes the car look 1,000 times better. It's really, really nice. So I'm happy with how it turned out. I love my stuff from American Muscle for sure. Hello, this is Sheldon, your 518 Traveler, coming to you from beautiful Cohoes, New York, which is just a stone's throw north of the capital city of Albany. And I want to thank you for checking out my channel and for watching this vlog. In this vlog, I installed rocker stripes on my Mustang. They actually came out really, really well. This is only the second time I put any type of vinyl striping on my Mustang. I did put some on the hood prior and also on the deck lid, and those came out well as well. The directions, again, from American Muscle were absolutely wonderful. Very, very easy to put on. There is a little bit of a trick to make sure you get all the air bubbles out from underneath the vinyl striping. But overall, really, really turned out well, and I'm very happy with the look. I also put tint on my front marker lights, and those came out really, really well too. Really, really happy with that. Car looks more aggressive, just a much more meaner look, and the darkness of it matches the black that's on the outside of the car as well. But unfortunately, I have to report that I ran into problems with the rear marker lights, the rear quarter marker lights. The tint was too short, probably about an inch or so too short. So I had an issue with American Muscle, and I did have to contact them and have new ones sent. And when I put those on, I will do an update video on that. So without further ado, here is my vlog on the striping and also the marker tint. Okay, so right now I am putting the American Muscle rocker decal, vinyl decal on my car right now. So this is what my car looks like. This is where it's drying right there. I've already scraped it out, got the bubbles out. I got to cut around the doors. But so far, it's looking pretty good. I think I got it pretty leveled up. You can see this side, what the car's looks like without it. Just pretty plain Jane on this side, unfortunately. But it is a 5.0. And it will look nice once this is all done. So again, as soon as I peel that off, it's going to look awesome, I think. Really, really nice. Well, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so one side done. Driver's side is done. And it looks really, really good. Pretty even across there, too, I would say. But yeah, it came out pretty good. This is only the third time I've done this. I did the hood. I did the hood up here, which didn't come out too bad. Looks pretty good. I know, I do my best. I'm a backyard mechanic, what can I say? But yeah, it looks hot. I love that American Muscle on there. It looks really, really good. And then I did the rear stripe. Didn't come out too bad either. Not the greatest on the rear, to be honest with you, but still makes the car look 1,000 times better. It's really, really nice. So I'm happy with how it turned out. I love my stuff from American Muscle for sure. So I finished the passenger side rocker panel decal, the American Muscle, and it actually came out really, really nice. The white on red really, really accents the car really, really well. I'm really glad that I put those on. It just dresses the car up so well. And it says American Muscle on it. I could have gotten a Mustang GT one, but my window banner is also American Muscle. And I buy a lot of my stuff from American Muscle, tons of stuff. The Steeda cold air intake I have came from there. My SCT4 X4 tuner came from there. And among other things, got these rims from there as well. I order a ton of stuff from there. I got sequential lights from there as well, right back here. I save all the original stuff. I put it in the same box that those lights came in, because sooner or later, when I get rid of the car, and it's not on the radar screen to do that, but when I do, I'll have all the original stuff on here. It doesn't matter the modifications I do to it. If I keep the stuff, then I have it. Hey guys, so today I am putting tint on my quarter marker lights and also my rear marker lights. And you can see what the orange one looks like on here, the original one, which, you know, certainly isn't very flattering. But as we come around the front here, I just put this one on and it looks 100 times better for sure. $100 times better. So right now I'm working on that. I just got it in place. And I'm going to squeegee it out a little bit more. Got to be careful because sometimes it moves a little. Get out of your way. But once it sticks, it's on there. You don't have to worry. Once it dries. And that's that. Working on this side now, it's just a light mist of water here. It's not soapy water, it's just supposed to be a light mist of water on there, that's it. And then you peel these off. It's supposed to have wet fingers, then the stuff don't stick to your fingers, so I wet the end of my fingers. So I wet the end of my fingers on here to make sure that they don't stick my fingers. And let's see here. Then you slide this on. Now I'll let it dry, and we'll see how it looks shortly. It's definitely a major difference with my car with that tint on there. It just looks so much better on there. It just looks more aggressive. It just looks more defined. Looks meaner. The color scheme goes better with the black. And I'm getting rid of that yellow license plate soon. I got the New York changed to white one, so I'm getting that. That's on order. So I'm going to get that off there, as that doesn't match a darn thing. But yeah, overall I like the tint. I'm going to do the rear ones as well here in just a minute. So here I am, I'm back like the Terminator. And I am going to do the rear ones. So just a mist, that's all they say. Just a little bit of mist water. Again, no soapy water. Like I put these on, the American Muscle rocker panel stickers. I put those on yesterday, and you have to use soapy water for those. It actually came out pretty good. I'm surprised. The car's looking really nice. Red and white always goes together real well. So my car, I'm really loving how my car is starting to come out at this time. I'm going to put this on here. That's not even the right size. This says this is supposed to be quarter marker. It's too short. The tint I was sent ended up being a little too short. As you can see from this picture, it's just a little over 5 inches long to the point. But with these pictures here, you can see it needed to be just under 7 inches long to the point. I did contact American Muscle to get that fixed. And when I get that in and I put it on the car, I will definitely update you. So there you have it. I like how the rocker stripes turned out. They look really, really nice on my car. Accented very well. The marker lights, the tint for the front came out pretty well too. I'm very happy with that, but unfortunately we had the issue with the rear ones that didn't fit, and I'm working with American Muscle to get that resolved. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave those. And I would like it if you would subscribe. There will be more Mustang content coming in the future. Thanks so much. Until next time.